Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we're standing in front of a lightweight family bunkhouse that's easy to tow and still packed with usable space. This is the 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH. This travel trailer measures 29 feet and weighs just 5,595 pounds. That low weight is one of the biggest advantages of this floor plan. A lot of half-ton trucks can handle it, but you still get sleeping for 8 people and a layout that actually works for a family. The 2400BH is a popular bunkhouse plan for a reason. You get a private queen bed in the front master bedroom, a pull-out sleeper sofa in the main living area, and 2 double bunk beds. There's also one large slide-out that opens the interior up once you're parked at the campsite. Take a good look at the exterior. This Imagine has a clean, modern profile with a power patio awning, a power tongue jack, a rear-view camera system, and a full-size spare wheel and tire mounted on the back. It's also equipped with Grand Design's Arctic Insulation 4-Season Protection Package, which is a real plus if you camp in cooler weather or want a little more year-round capability. As we walk down the side of the trailer, you'll see the large slide-out and the overall condition of the fiberglass. This is a 2020 model that still presents well. The lines are clean, the trailer sits level, and it doesn't look tired or worn out. Right here is one of the best features on this floor plan, the exterior kitchen. You've got a mini fridge, a gas stovetop, and usable counter space outside, so you can cook without heating up the inside of the trailer. That's a huge convenience on warm days, and it keeps the main living area cleaner while you're camping. Continue around with me and you'll also notice the 30-amp service with a removable extension cord and the battery disconnect switch. These are simple features, but they make setup and breakdown much easier when you get to camp. Up front is the full pass-through storage compartment. This gives you a lot of room for camp chairs, hoses, tools, and outdoor gear without having to pack everything inside the living space. The overall exterior condition is solid. This is a lightweight, family-friendly bunkhouse that doesn't feel oversized or hard to manage. We're going to finish the outside walk right now, and then step inside so you can see the living area, the bunks, the bathroom, the kitchen, and the front bedroom. Step inside with me. As soon as you come through the door, the large slide-out opens this living area up and makes the trailer feel much bigger than 29 feet. That extra width is what keeps this floor plan from feeling cramped once you're parked and set up. Straight ahead is the main living space. You've got the pull-out sleeper sofa on one side, the kitchen just beyond it, and the bunk area toward the rear. There's also a 32-inch TV in the living room, so this is where the family is going to spend most of the time once you're set up at camp. The interior still feels clean and usable for a 2020 bunkhouse. Good lighting, a practical layout, and enough room to move around without everything feeling stacked on top of each other. This is a family trailer first, and the living area is built around that. You can see the whole flow from the entry: living space, kitchen, bunks, and the private bedroom up front. Back here are the 2 double bunk beds. These are a big reason this floor plan sleeps 8, and why the 2400BH stays popular with families. The kids have their own space, instead of taking over the sofa every night. The bunks are large enough to actually be useful, instead of feeling like an afterthought. And that separate bunk area is one of the things that makes this trailer work for a real family trip. Next is the full bathroom. You've got a large shower enclosure, a toilet, a sink and vanity, and a power vent fan. For a 29-foot bunkhouse, this bath is more usable than a lot of people expect. The shower is a full enclosure, not a tiny corner stall, so you're not squeezed in every time someone needs to clean up after a day outside. There's enough vanity space to keep toiletries organized instead of piled on the counter, and the power vent helps keep moisture down. That matters in a family trailer with multiple people using the bath throughout the day. This is a complete bathroom, not a stripped-down wet bath. Coming back into the living area, this is the pull-out sleeper sofa. It gives you extra sleeping space when you need it, without taking up a separate room, which is exactly how this floor plan reaches 8 people. During the day, it works as the main couch. At night, it becomes another bed. Right beside the kitchen is the gas and electric refrigerator and freezer. That's a practical setup for camping because you can run it on propane when you're not hooked up to shore power, and it still has enough capacity for a family weekend instead of forcing you into a tiny RV fridge. The rest of the kitchen gives you a residential sink and faucet, an extendable countertop, a gas stovetop and oven, and a microwave. That extra counter space matters in a bunkhouse because you're usually feeding more than 2 people. Across from that is the entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, so meals and movie time all happen in the same open living space. It's a simple layout, but it works well for a family trailer. Now the front master bedroom. This is a private queen bed up front, which is exactly what you want in a family bunkhouse. The kids can stay in the bunks and living area, while the parents still have a separate sleeping space instead of being right in the middle of everything. There's also a 24-inch TV in the bedroom, plus storage around the bed, so you're not living out of bags the whole trip. The room feels closed off enough to actually work as a master, even in a 29-foot trailer. That privacy is a big part of why this floor plan works. You get a real bedroom up here, not just a mattress shoved into the nose of the trailer. For a lightweight bunkhouse, this front room is one of the better executed parts of the layout. So this is the 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH. 29 feet, 5,595 pounds, 1 slide, exterior kitchen, bunks, and sleeping for 8. It's priced at $19,900. If you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call at 864-260-9276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit us online at portersrvsales.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.